How to invest in real estate as a beginner. What if we told you that you don't need a large amount of money to start real estate? What if we told you that you could begin setting yourself up for real estate success with your basic salary? Well, in this video, we show you how to invest in real estate as a beginner. We show you the strategies to apply and the pitfalls to be avoided. Before we dive in, please make sure to like and subscribe. This way, you can learn the best strategies for investing, managing your finance, and earning money. There are currently a lot of investment markets available for people to spend their money in. These include the stock market, the cryptocurrency market, and even the used car market. All these markets have their pros and cons. People get into these markets based on their interest and their financial capabilities. However, one of the best to invest in is the real estate market among all these markets. Why exactly is this so? Well, inasmuch as these other markets have real money-making potential, they are all notorious for being volatile. This means prices of assets can fluctuate wildly overnight, losing you money as quickly as you gained it. High volatility in any market can be frustrating, even to the most experienced of traders. It makes you feel you're gambling, and none of your calculations or analyses make sense. With the real estate market, though, instances of volatility are rare. They aren't impossible, but they just occur infrequently and at a manageable scale. Stability aside, the prices of assets on the real estate market only ever tend to go up as time goes on. This is because the key asset, housing, is an essential thing which everybody needs, and as human populations grow and places become more congested, housing becomes more expensive. So, all these reasons point why real estate is quite a desirable investment market. But then, is it a market that everyone can get into? Well, most people think it's expensive to get into real estate. After all, homes are pretty expensive assets. However, there are ways and means by which you can set yourself up for success in the real estate market. Ahead, we will discuss the financial tools by which beginners can empower themselves for future domination in the real estate market. For one, you can invest in real estate using crowdfunding. There are a bunch of platforms that offer this, including Fundraise, Peer Street, and Realty Mogul. Each of these platforms has its unique pros and cons, which further research will reveal. However, they all work the same way. What happens is that several individuals come together, and with a buy-in price as low as $500, form a unit that invests in real estate with a common goal. Since it takes multiple people, a large amount of money can be raised in a short time. This will increase the financial potential of the group, allowing for moves on bigger and better real estate investments. For instance, if by yourself you could only afford to invest in a small flat, now with others, you can invest in a whole hotel. Next, you can invest in a real estate investment trust. This is also known as a REIT. With this, instead of investing in real estate directly, you are investing in a company that invests in real estate. These companies own commercial real estates such as office buildings, apartments, and hotels. These are safe investments since they traded assets pretty easily generate profits. Many REITs are publicly traded on major securities exchanges, allowing investors to buy and sell them like stocks. The advantage of REITs is that they must pay out 90% of their profits to investors as dividends. In addition, investors don't have to deal with the hassle of actually managing a property. Next, you could consider flipping investment properties. This is a strategy in which you buy low-cost homes, renovate them, and then sell them for way more than they are worth. This is an effective strategy that can earn you a lot of profit. If you have the means, you should look into it. Finally, you can consider renting out a room. Many platforms, such as Airbnb, exist to help facilitate this sort of strategy. You'll attract more high-quality clients too, ones who are unwilling to break any rules, stay for only a short time, and don't mess around when it comes to payment. With the profit you generate from this endeavor, you can expand more and more until you have enough money to buy an entire flat. Coming to the end of this video, we hope this tutorial on investing in real estate as a beginner has been of use to you. Contrary belief, you don't need to be a rich or expert investor to get into real estate. The buy-in price is lower than is commonly assumed. To learn more, Please check out our other videos on drafting a business plan and how to buy your first rental property. These will give you a more holistic understanding of the concept and ensure that you're well equipped to transition into that way of life. Well, that's all for today. Please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share if you enjoyed the video. This way, you support the channel and never miss out on any of our awesome content. Until next time, have a great day. Catch you later.